Revolutionize your data exploration with eMMA Fusion, the newest browser-based 3D data analysis solution. eMMA Fusion helps you quickly identify problems in your production and reports directly in your browser and share them with your team. eMMA Fusion allows the analysis of tactile measurements and optical measurements at the same time or separately, and also supports a side-by-side display of different measurements. With the video mode, easily identify how the part is deforming during the production phase. Quality cost reduction enables users to detect quality issues in the prototyping phase to avoid issues in production, and with real-time monitoring to ensure quality during production. Cost-effective. Save on IT resources and expenses associated with client installations, as browser-based applications reduce the need for individual device setups. User-friendly. Simplify access, flattening the learning curve of users. Scalability. Suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small enterprises to large corporations. Data agnostic. eMMA imports data from all measurement devices and software, independent of the software or hardware vendor. Analyze and monitor single parts or assemblies without complex setup and configuration. A simple solution to manage the inspection plans of all the parts produced, and to easily navigate all projects and assemblies and identify them. For complex assembly structures that need to be organized and updated across multiple plants and departments, with integration with enterprise solutions like PLM. For further information or a detailed demonstration of our software, please feel free to reach out at sales.emma.me@hexagon.com or visit us at hexagon.com/emma.